So I've just been reorganizing and vacuuming the house from the bottom to the top. And I like the plants in this little landing area, but I don't know what to put here. I think I need to put like books or something in the corner because it's like a little reading nook. Also, all that's gonna go. I just need to find somewhere to put it. That's gonna be clear, and we're gonna put the curtains on the side. And I don't know, do I need more greenery here or something? I like how this is looking, but I'm missing the mirror in the corner. But I'm liking how this is looking. Stephen cleaned this entire area today. And yes, there is still a toilet in the guest room after our bathroom reno, which I still have to do an entire bathroom reveal for as well, but I need help from Steve for that because I want him to record it and then be able to explain all of the work that he did in this beautiful and wonderful bathroom. I'm absolutely taking a bubble bath tonight because look at how inviting that looked. Don't mind some of these Steve put that there. I feel like it goes, but I need to live with it for a few days. I love you, honey, but I don't know if it goes with like the vibe, you know what I mean? But I love you, honey, so we'll talk. So I like to put the Christmas tree in this corner with all the windows because you can see it from the front of the house. And then I just didn't know what to do with these chairs because they were on this other side. But I feel like if they're still on that side with the Christmas tree, it'll just be too bunched together and not have enough space. So we'll see how this looks. So I learned very quickly that I do not have the same set of skills that my engineer boyfriend does. I should probably stick into my lane, which is dancing and decorating, because assembling things quite clearly did not work. I could not figure out how to connect the middle part of the lights to the bottom part and then connect the top part to the middle part. I just kept fudging it up. So I just said, you know what? Who cares? It's gonna be a half-lit Christmas tree, and then when Steve comes home, he can fix it, and that he did. Then I made us some dinner, which was just some pasta and some leftover stuff that I had lying around in the fridge, like some peppers, some shallots, and I used this buttery seasoning. I made this savory tahini and also sweet maple syrup dressing to put on top of the pasta to have with some wine so I could Netflix and chill with my doggo. And then I obviously had to have a late night snack. It was Saturday night after all, and then early Sunday morning hit. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jasmine McDonald. If you're new here, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and now it's Sunday. It's Sunday today, and it's 8:04 a.m. I woke up at 7:15. Don't ask why I'm awake at 7:15 on a Sunday morning, but I was. Actually, I know why. It's probably because yesterday I woke up that early to go teach at the studio. So my body's just like, wake up. Also, isn't it daylight savings time? Which means we lost an hour of sleep, or did we gain an hour of sleep? Fall back. So if we fall back in time, the clocks went back, so I gained an hour of sleep. So I did sleep in. Okay, that makes sense. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments down below. I'm probably wrong. It's too early. I haven't had my coffee yet, which brings me to my next subject. I'm going to make coffee. I do not have any Nespresso in the house. However, we do have some Keurig, and I'm gonna try to make like a fancy latte with our milk frother, which I just found out, by the way, is rechargeable. Who knew that? Pretty cool, except the charger doesn't really work. So it's like on a really low battery where I have to hold it and then it dies, and then I hold it again, and then it dies, and I just keep having to do that and press it down, hold it, and then release and press it down. So it's not really working. Yeah. So anyways, I'm gonna go make some coffee. I only have 2 clients today. I have one at 2 to 3 and one at 6:30 to 7:30. So I don't have that much to do today. It's also Sunday, so I kind of want to relax. I don't want to dance. I don't really know what I want to do today, but we'll find out. Now, the first thing in the morning that I like to do is cuddle with both my pets, and as you can see, Luna and Elsa are the best of friends now. Elsa even comes up to Luna and gives her little kisses, and then she gets kind of intimidated by the cat. She's like, oh, what was that? And then she runs away. Comment down below if you want a full recipe for my homemade pumpkin spice latte. It actually tasted exactly like a pumpkin spice latte from Starbucks. The secret ingredient is in the description box down below, so check it out. It added to the sweetness. And I love knowing that I can just make one at home instead of spend $7. So it is, like I mentioned, Sunday. It's about 10:30, and I've done nothing but binge watch Netflix's The Watcher series, and I just feel like I haven't been taking care of my body as much as I should be. For example, exercising. I've been doing a lot of stretching, and I've been doing a lot of teaching. I haven't particularly been fine-tuning things, like really working on my strength, on my cardio. So today, that's what I'm gonna do. I know it's Sunday and I usually try to take the day off, but I didn't really do much this whole week. I taught dance, which is like active, but I didn't work out at all. And I want to get on that workout grind again before the holiday. I feel really good about myself going into the new year. So I'm going to do a Move with Nicole workout. Usually I do my own workouts and just train myself. I just feel like having a different class structure than what I usually teach myself will motivate me a little bit more. And also taking a class from somebody else just feels a little bit new and fresh. Then I'm going to go on a WALK with Elsa. And then I'm going to be teaching from 2 till 3 and 6:30 till 7:30. So yeah, I'm probably going to have a bubble bath today too after this workout. I need to wash my hair today as well, for sure.
Last one. Now reverse. Open your knee, close your knee, and lower. Open, close head with your elbow wide. Really think of releasing any tension. Exhale, press. Now let's add on. Inhale, lunge down. Exhale, twist to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist left. Inhale, center. Exhale, press up.
We still have all of our decorations up, so definitely gonna have to take them down today. We've been going on so many walks as of late because winter is swiftly approaching. As I look at the forecast for the next 7 days, there is snow forecasted, which makes me very sad, a little bit anxious, and again, very sad just that summer and fall are ending. Those are my two favorite seasons, and seeing them end always makes me a little bit sad. You know, I love the holidays and I love Christmas, don't get me wrong, but I can't with the snow. It is my least favorite thing. Do you guys like snow? Do you not like snow? Do you even get snow? I wish we didn't get snow. Anyways, we're gonna run some errands and I didn't want to go alone, so we're on our way. Smelly. She's migrated to the front seat, haven't you? I picked up some wine for me and Steve to enjoy, and I always collect these little cat wine bottles because they're so cute. Last year I collected the purple and the beige colored ones, and they just look so adorable on display. Even though it was Sunday night, I just liked the idea of winding down, getting ready for the week, relaxing, cooking some wholesome dinner with some vegetarian meatballs, pasta, the leftover pasta from the day before. Even though it had seasoning on it, it didn't really adjust anything or make anything taste weird. Someone's stuck. I think someone's stuck. Oh my goodness. Is someone stuck under the blanket? Oh, there you go. Hi guys, it is Monday, November the 5th, I believe, or the 6th, I'm not really sure, but my morning class got canceled, so I'm actually going to attend a ballet and a pointe class online, and then I'm going to create some content, and then I have a friend coming over before I work at 3 until 10:30 tonight. I actually have a class from 3 until 4, and then I have a class from 4:45 till 5:45, then I have a class from 7 to 8, and a class from 10 till 10:30, so it is a busy-ish day. They're just all spread out. That being said, I do want to move my body a little bit. Sunday, I just relaxed a lot. I watched a lot of Netflix. I went on a walk with Elsa, ran some errands, and I taught in the evening. Then when I finished teaching, I just kind of lounged around, chatted with some friends online, and now I'm gonna go do a class before my friend comes over. So yeah, I thought that it would be a lot busier this morning. I woke up at like 7:30 because of the time difference or the time change. But yeah, I haven't been that busy this morning. I called my mom. I need to make my bed, ready for class, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, I really need to clean this up too because I was teaching late last night and I was too lazy to clean it up. So I'm just gonna clean that up right now and make the bed. That is better. I just got dressed and I'm ready to do a ballet class. I was going to do one live online, but I think I missed it. I think I got the time difference wrong. I think it was already happening. I don't want to join late. So I'm just gonna do my own thing. And yes, these are tights. I've cut them, hole in the crotch, cut a hole in the feet, and now I'm wearing it as a warm-up. I'm obviously wearing tights on top, black tights, a skirt, and a Leo. This leotard's from Yumiko, and I'm gonna go put on my pointe shoes and do a ballet/pointe class.
Let's say you've already taken class that day and you have a big gap and you need to re-warm up. This is what this is for. Enough exercises to get in, play the video, go do that once. Turn in, right to fifth, plie, front and back.
I have a friend coming over in an hour, so I just cleaned the entire kitchen and put away all the dishes. It's looking nice now. I look a bit like a cult leader, I'm not gonna lie, with the slippers too. I just need Birkenstocks, but these linen pants really do it for me. My friend's coming over in half an hour, so I'm gonna start cooking some stuff. We're gonna have pizza and fries, and we're probably gonna hang out and watch a scary movie, but I just wanted to show you guys my outfit because I thought you'd appreciate the joke. Not that bad. It's not that bad. It's just comfy, you know? It's comfy. So I totally forgot to film the pizza that my friend brought over when she came over. She stayed for around 3 hours and I've just been teaching since 3 o'clock. It's almost 5 o'clock and I have a class from 5 till 6 and 7 until 8 and then I'm done. I thought I had a class later tonight, but I'm done at 8 o'clock. So I'm gonna have a nice bubble bath and call it an early night. So if this is the last part of the vlog, thank you guys sincerely from the bottom of my heart for joining me today. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing. Bye now.
Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for